How to delete WhatsApp stickers. So let's get started. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application and make sure that this application is updated in your device. And if you're logged into your account now, open up any chat conversation with the contact from your WhatsApp. Now, once you open it up and you land on this chat page, now from this text box that says message at the bottom of this interface, tap on that emoji icon. Now from here, there is multiple option as emojis, GIF, or avatar, or on next to that there is a sticker option. Now to delete WhatsApp stickers, you have to delete it from your favorites. So there you have a favorite stickers in your interface, and on the top of that there is a recently used stickers. Now to remove, simply tap and hold on your stickers from the favorite. After that, this dialog box will pop up. From there, simply tap and remove. And with that, you have deleted this WhatsApp stickers from your favorite. Now, if you have recently used it, it will still be shown in this section right here at the top. So that's how you can delete WhatsApp stickers. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.